You get to the end of the day, and instead of resting, you scroll. You tell yourself, it's a break, but afterward, you feel even more drained. I've been there. I didn't know I was numbing. I just knew I was tired. But here's the quiet shift that helped me. There's a difference between zoning out and being restored. In this video, I want to walk with you through a few simple practices that helped me refill, spiritually and emotionally, without needing more time or energy. And if you've been longing for a better rhythm in your evenings, you're welcome to explore balanced success by design. It's not another thing to do. It's a place to breathe with women who understand. First 10 women who join will receive a gift of membership. No pressure, just presence. There's a difference between zoning out and filling up. I had to learn this the hard way. After long days, I'd scroll my phone, hoping to feel better, but I'd end up more drained. That shift came when I started asking, what actually restores me? What connects me back to life? For me, it was soaking in the Word while folding laundry. It was a playlist of worship music while making dinner. It was reading one page of a devotional in the morning instead of diving into the news. Joy doesn't have to be loud. Restoration often whispers. It meets you in everyday moments and reminds you that your soul matters too. Find one restorative this week, something that feels like a gift, not a task. Maybe it's journaling. Maybe it's sitting on the porch in silence. Let it become part of your rhythm, not your reward. If this spoke to something you've been avoiding or ignoring, let this be your gentle nudge back to what restores you. You're welcome to explore the rest of this playlist or step into balanced success by design whenever you're ready. There's no rush, just rhythm. And tonight, instead of zoning out, choose one small thing that fills you. Not to perform, not to perfect, just to remember. Your soul needs tending too. I'll see you in the next video.